Hello everyone, we are Team Automates. Our solution is about transforming vehicle rentals with Salesforce Agentforce. And this is our team.
Let's start with a story and meet the RightSwift Rental, a fictitious company that we'll be using for this demo. RightSwift Rental started in 2021 with just 10 cars. By 2024, their fleet grew to 500 plus vehicles, but somehow their customer experience didn't grow as fast. The problem before Agentforce: manual inventory check and bookings, overbooked vehicles, missed opportunities, high staff workload during peak season, no real personalization, slow support and claim validation, and slow responses to customer queries.
Meet your Automates. The customer initiates the chat, the agent understands and gets the real time data. The customer can view and book the vehicle and will receive email confirmations. And the pickup location manager receives the details on the Slack and can confirm, complete, or cancel the booking. And the result: faster process and happy customers.
Now what happens at the backend? The Salesforce Data Cloud sync with an external inventory system, so we always show real-time vehicle availability. And for employees at pickup locations, we created a Slack agent that lets store managers confirm booking, cancel no-shows, and even validate insurance coverage during breakdowns using RAG. For real-time data retrieval with generative AI to give smarter context awareness answers based on the business data, we are using RAG. Okay, so this is our agent in action. We have integrated it in the website. Let's say I want to rent a car. It is asking me for the registered email address. I will just quickly enter that. And it has sent an OTP. I will enter the OTP. And now OTP verification was successful. Now we will proceed with the bookings. But for that, let me take you to the back end where all the things happens. Okay, so here we are in the agent builder. Let me add. I want to book a car for North Goa. The journey will start from tomorrow and I want the vehicle for 4 days. It is checking the garage for the available vehicles and we have the vehicles here. Let's say I want to book Hyundai i20. It is booking my vehicle and here are the booking details. So the booking information is sent to the customer via email. Now let's check the dealer Slack account and if we have the booking there. So this is the location, Purvim Plaza, where we have booked the vehicle and here are the details that the dealer can see. The customer goes to the pickup location and give the total amount that they have decided. It has the Automates agent here and the agent can directly say, I want to confirm a booking. Now the agent will validate the dealer's account as well. I am adding the details. So it asks for the booking number. Once the dealer provide the booking number, they will give the booking details and ask if they want to confirm, cancel and complete the booking. I want to confirm the booking. So it says the booking has been successfully confirmed. Let's go to the channel here. And in the channel also, it has a notification that this booking has been confirmed. Okay, now same as confirm, after the ride is over and you get the vehicle back, agent can complete the booking as well. Let's say I want to complete the booking. Please provide the booking number and here is the number. Here are the booking details. It is just asking us if we really want to complete this booking. We say yes. Now before completion, it has a checklist and it asks the dealer if they have checked all of these like vehicle inspections, interior check and the insurance, everything. If everything is done, we will just say yes and it will complete the booking for us. Now this booking has been successfully marked as complete. Okay, now let me give you a quick demo of how we are using RAG to get insurance policy for the vehicles. Here I have given a prompt that is Angel vehicle breakdown covered as part of insurance for vehicle number this, and it says that yes, it is covered as part of the insurance policy for the particular vehicle.
Let's talk about some stats now. In just 6 months after rollout, you can see the before and after metrics on the screen. The booking time, capacity, NPS score has been increased, the growth, volume, return processing, cancellation, and the insurance claim validation also has been reduced from hours to 2 minutes.
And this is how the future looks like. The loyalty programs can be added. Marketing Cloud can be integrated to send live communications. Salesforce Maps can be integrated for live traffic updates. Predictive service checks and maintenance using Einstein can be added. The payment gateway integration can be done, etc. We are Team Automates.
Let us know if you need our service.
Thank you.